We had a very fruitful meeting between my humble self and a delegation of the National Working Committee of the PDP, ably led by the National Legal Advisor, Barrister Kamaluddin Ajibade, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, and 5 others. We discussed extensively on the PDP, the legacy establishing the PDP in terms of its historical significance, the shaping of the national development as evidenced by our 16 years of good rule in the country, and of course, the upgrading of our core values of good governance, respect of the rule of law, and the unity of the country, and indeed providing a very stable platform for sustainable democracy for our dear nation. Along that line, we discussed extensively the need for collaboration between the Nigerian Governors Forum, the PDP Governors Forum, and the National Working Committee, so that some of the issues that result in litigation, issues that cannot be resolved, will be resolved on the table. It is along this line that we collectively agreed the need for rule of law, and the delegation gave their firm commitment or support to the position of the Nigerian Governors Forum, PDP, on Rivers State, where we have an established practice in which any governor in any state that is coming from the party is the leader of the party and would therefore have the structure of the party for sustainability. That commitment on behalf of the Governors Forum, we are very grateful to the National Working Committee, ably led by the legal advisor. We also discussed some of the legal issues that are lingering, and I use the opportunity on behalf of the Governors Forum to ask the delegation to convey our appreciation to the acting national chairman and to insist that please, those committees they have set up on reconciliation and disciplinary issues should work in a manner that we will do it through consensus, through agreement, so that at least we will not create any political imbroglio. In conclusion, I seize the opportunity to thank them and to assure them going forward, the Governors Forum will be meeting with them from time to time and to give them all the support so that we can have a well-knitted structure between all the organs of the party, the BOT, the NWC, and even some of the other organs like the former Governors Forum, former Ministers Forum, so that all the stakeholders will be talking in the same voice, so that in 2027, inshallah, Nigerians will have the hope of having PDP back and good governance back into the country. Thank you very much. Any question, please? Thank you. On the summary of our discussion on what is on the table in the country about the change of leadership to get a permanent leadership in the party, because right now our brother from the Northeast is acting as chairman, and it is a constitutional aberration because according to our constitution, any vacancy that exists must be filled from where that vacancy is created. And we know the North Central have been craving for it, and we discussed the issue. We will work with the acting national chairman and the working committee and the party to ensure that the Northeast is given and the North Central is given the opportunity to assume that responsibility, since we in the North is also benefited from such constitutional arrangement, where after the resignation of Alhaji Bamanga Tukur, our brother, our former governor, Ahmed Adamu Azu, became the chairman of the PDP. It is not something that is in contention by the grace of God. Thank you.